So, as you can see, my beauty room is a little bit of a mess. Well, my beauty area. This is in my bedroom, but I just stole this half of the room. And I did some filming today, hence the makeup and the earrings. I have not taken it off, and it's past 9 o'clock at night, and I watched a scary movie earlier today, and so I need to make myself happy. So I'm gonna clean my room, watch some TV shows, and I figured, why not show you guys a little bit, you know, stress relieving, cleaning, organizing. It'll be good. If you guys are new, hey, my name's Liz. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And also ring your notification bell so you guys are notified for all my future videos. And if you guys want to see me clean up my beauty area, then just keep watching. Okay, this side, well, this is the table that I used to film on. And I unboxed a whole bunch of boxes today, so it's a disaster. So it needs to get cleaned. I typically have that little TV, I don't know if you guys can see it over there, as a monitor to sit right here so I can see what I'm doing when I'm filming, but I had to take it off because this is so messy, so let's just get started. I'm gonna kind of try to get this just cleaned off, move the things that need to go into drawers over there, and then I also recently bought this to house the makeup that I'm going to be using as like an everyday kind of makeup. So I'll put that stuff in there, and yeah, let's get started. Don't be judging all the random crap I have over here. My life is a mess. So I got my filming desk all organized. With the new organizers that I got, I basically just put in things that I use almost on a daily basis. That way it'd be easy to grab, and then I have all my brushes, my mirror, a little towel to wipe off my brushes in between use. I should probably figure out a better solution for that. And then I set up my TV for my monitor and basically did all that except for the trash blow it. That still needs to go out. Everything else is pretty clean, wiped down. The drawers are organized a whole lot better. And I feel less stressed, so I'm happy. Okay guys, that is everything. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like cleanup kind of videos or any kind of organization kind of videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. If you have any other suggestions for them, definitely let me know. I can probably get something like that up for you guys. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you next time. Bye.